Jack and Violet were finally going on their dream vacation to Paris. Since they got married 3 years ago, they have been through some hardships. First, Violet has been fired from her job because of cutbacks in the funding for the music department of the university, where she taught. However, she was a world-class violinist, so she had found a new job fairly quickly. Now she was a concert violinist. Last year, Jack's dog Benji had died. On autumn day, he had broken free from his leash while they were out playing games and walking, and the oncoming car unfortunately not been able to stop in time. Jack had been heartbroken because he had the dog for so many years, and he had loved the furry friend dearly. After that, something had been lacking in their lives. Now they were packing their bags and preparing for the ideal couple holiday. On their way to the airport, they stopped at the pharmacy to pick up some vital supplies. The trip went smoothly and they only had to change planes once. After some days in Paris, Violet had thrown up and Jack had been worried about his wife. However, she has always gained some weight lately, and she thought that they might have to visit the pharmacy again soon. Perhaps next time they would be going on the family vacation.